Thanks once again for clicking through on one of our cars. Today we have a 132 Golf 1.2 TFSI automatic. It's just in with the certificate from Japan. Built in Europe, sent to Japan, and then brought back to Europe. So there's no problems in the insurance in these cars. This is a grade 4, and you know by looking at it, just no marks in it. Fabulous condition. There's a small one there, but this one has the chrome interior, including the chrome center. You can see that. Privacy glass, and just very, very clean. Only 44,000 miles in this car. So that's all the bells and whistles: touchscreen, phone, traction control, cruise, limiter, paddle shift, park folding mirrors. So give us a ring there. We've one or two of these coming in now at the moment. Nick Jones here on First Choice Autos. Glad to talk to you. Cheers.